Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, in today's video I'm going to show how to start drawing a mandala. As a beginner, let's start drawing a medium version of mandala. So I'm taking 1/2 of a A4 sheet paper. Divide both sides of the paper equally so you will get the midpoint of the paper. We are going to use this midpoint to draw the circles. Use a compass to draw the circles. Since we are going to draw various circles, just rotate the paper instead of the compass. It is a technique to draw perfect circles quickly. You don't need a measurement for the circles, but make sure that you leave some gap between each circle. Even the gap shouldn't be the same to all the circles, totally 6 circles. Before moving further, let's see some basic patterns for mandala. Then basic filling patterns for mandala. Now divide the circles into 16 parts. It's already divided into 4 parts. As a beginner, you don't need measurements to divide the circles. Just divide it by leaving equal space between each part. In the upcoming mandala video, I will show how to divide the circles using measurements. Now, fill the circles using basic patterns. First, draw with a pencil. These lines in the circles will guide you to draw the shapes perfectly without messing with other circles. All you have to do is rotate the paper whenever necessary. You don't have to strain your hands to draw the patterns. Just rotate the paper accordingly. black pen and start overdrawing the pencil marks as well as the filling patterns. The fun part of mandala itself is filling. All you have to do is fill the shapes. You can use lines or coloring the shapes, just you need to fill the shapes. That's it. You all may think why she is covering the art with a bit of paper. I know it looks strange, but then I have sweaty hands, so I always use a paper to cover my drawings to prevent smudges. When you look closer or when you draw a mandala, you will find various minute mistakes. But at the end, as a whole image, it looks perfect, or you can even say that it looks mesmerizing. Thank you for watching, guys.